Okay, so I have removed my car stereo, the default one which came along with Brezza is a DI Plus. So I have a new stereo here. I hope you have seen the unboxing part. This is the Woodman's Extreme 2.0 for Brezza that I purchased. It's a 4 GB, 64 GB stereo. So I'm going to install this on my car right now. So this was the cable that was coming from the car's electrical circuit. So this is the wiring harness that Woodman has provided along with the package. So this is a special one. So normally when you buy a stereo from outside, this connector will not be there. This is the camera connector. Just because I wanted to reuse my Brezza's inbuilt camera, I wanted to have this along with the wiring harness. Normally Woodman send a free camera which you have to drill in the back and then you have to connect with a separate dedicated wire. So I just not want to make any changes to the car, so that's why I opted for this one. So anyways, so these are the wires from the car's electrical circuit. I have already wired the GPS unit and the 4G antenna, and also there is a small wire for the camera that is required. So I have manually wired this to the back of the car, which goes through this way all the way up to the reverse light. So that's what I already did. Now let's see how we can install this stereo in this unit. So the easiest part is that all of the connectors are unique. If you can look, see these connectors. Nothing is looks same, right? So each will have its own groove in here, so that it is very easy to connect these things because it never goes wrong. If something is not going in, then probably it is a clear indication that you are putting this on the wrong slot. So let's do this now. Let me mount this camera over here somewhere. Okay, so it has to go like this. So I'll put the stereo like here. So this is the main wire. So let's just put this here. Okay, now we have another wire. This contains a lot of cables for the audio part and also the mic, and this wire is for the 4G SIM card slot. So we have a slot here. This is the biggest one. Like I said, each one is unique, so definitely it will go over here. Okay, that's done. This seems to be the standard USB connector. Okay, we have something similar here. So the male connector should go here. That's slotted nicely. And then I think there was one more. Okay, here, this one. This one is the standard camera connector. So I think this will go here. Okay. This seems to be the USB. We have an additional USB that is supported by the stereo. So standard Brezza has just one. This one has two. Okay, checking the slot. Okay, this. Okay, so let's leave it in. Now we have the GPS and the 4G antennas that needs to be connected. this is the 4G antenna. Okay. And this is the GPS. Okay. We need to connect the FM antenna as well. So here it is. Okay. Well, I think we have connected everything. Let us just try and switch on the stereo now. These clips here, I removed it from the standard stereo, so this doesn't come with the stereo that is shipped by Woodman. Just for your note. Okay. Let me just switch it on. Okay, so this was already configured. So by default, this is the car launcher which comes with Woodman. Yeah, I'll create a separate video for the stereo itself, but this is how you wire it. That's what I wanted to show. So this is pretty easy. I didn't go to any car shopping or any car accessory shop. I was able to wire this by myself. So it's pretty easy. I thought that it would be difficult, would be have to a car accessory shop, but like I told you, there is nothing that can go wrong with the wires, because they are like a pair. If you have a male slot and there will be a female slot, and it just can go only to that particular slot. So if you want to try it, I would highly recommend that you try this by yourself. So that was the purpose of this video. If you have any doubt regarding how to install this, please feel free to comment on the video, and I would be happy to help. So I'll be assembling the rest of the things back, and we'll see how it works after that. Okay. Okay, so I have assembled everything back together. So it's just the frame that is pending. Okay, like I said, always start from the lower side of the stereo and then push all the slots in. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the Brezza. So nice and neat, nothing outside, I mean no wires outside. Yeah, so I'll create a separate video for this stereo as such. So this was just how you can do it by yourself. Thanks for watching.